In this course we covered how to learn Python programming for cybersecurity in one day. You may have many questions and lots of ideas from this course. I would definitely take a look at the introductory courses and material on the internet, and you can start with the Python website as a great place for reference. And you also have a copy of the code from this course, so there's lots of resources out there to help. A key takeaway is to practice. There's no substitute for writing your own scripts. Learn what works, what doesn't work, and go from there. Learn to work with and learn from other developers too. Software development is a team sport. Try to buddy up with developers in your workplace to see how they code and how they develop code fast. We couldn't cover everything available in Python, as this course is aimed at getting you started with emphasis on the cybersecurity field. There are many other areas to look at for continued learning, and here I've listed several examples to explore. I'd suggest using a search engine or the official Python website to look at these areas, as they can also help you with particular coding challenges that you may encounter. And if you've never heard of any of these before, don't worry, as it's a learning journey, and as you build experience and competence, you will use more and more Python capabilities. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for signing up for this course. Please take some time to leave feedback and comments, as it helps me to develop more useful content in the future. Good luck with your learning journey, take care, and bye for now.